Welcome to the Dionysus Design Safety System demonstration video. This is the UAV that we're going to be flying. The transmitter is located there, and the ground station, which allows us to abort the flight if for some reason we lose signal with the UAV in flight. Right now the UAV is powered. The ground station is sending a signal once a second to the UAV stating that everything is okay, keep on flying. Right now the UAV is in full manual mode, allowing the transmitter to control the control surfaces. Even the motor can turn on. Alright, so if the UAV gets in the air and problems arise, the main way to abort the flight is to push the big red button. This will send a message to the UAV stating that it should go into abort mode. I'm going to turn the motor on and demonstrate the full abort. As you can see, the motor turned off. The ailerons are inducing a left roll. The elevator is in full up, and the rudder is at full right. So this is the definition of abort mode. It could be changed using the software, but due to the specifications, this is what is needed. Now, to take it out of abort mode and continue our testing, we'll just release the button and reset the speed controller. Okay, good. Now, there are as I said before, three different ways to abort the flight of the UAV. The second way is to remove power from the ground station. I'm going to go ahead and turn the motor on again. This is the battery to the ground station, and all I do is unplug it. 5 seconds later, it should abort. So, since the UAV didn't receive the signal in 5 seconds, it went automatically into abort mode. I am going to plug this in again. Now that it gets the signal, it goes ahead and resumes the flight. If this were an emergency situation, we would leave the power off of the ground station. And I just shut the motor off so that you could hear my voice a little bit better. Now, the third way to cause an abort in the UAV is to interrupt the heartbeat signal generated by the autopilot itself. It's kind of hard to see due to the shadows, but this wire right here goes into the black box, which is our safety system, and it comes from the autopilot system itself. Now, if the safety system doesn't receive a pulse on this wire, after 5 seconds it'll abort the flight. So let me turn the motor on. And we're going to unplug this. Alright, there it went into abort mode. Now, this abort mode is slightly different than the others. If it goes into this type of an abort, it doesn't resume the flight, even if it receives a message from the autopilot or the ground station. So once this happens, it is, the flight is over. In order to reset this, I am going to have to cycle the power to the autopilot system itself. And since that takes 2 hands, I'm going to put the camera down and do that. Okay, the safety system is running again. Should be in full manual mode. Yep. And I did have to shut the motor off once again just for the purpose of noise. So those are the 3 ways to abort the flight of a UAV mission. The range on the safety system is somewhere between 5 and 10 miles based on what antennas are being used. So that should be plenty of range during the competition. Anyway, thank you for watching.